Action talk and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica for today June 25, 2009. My name is Rennae Nichols. Government look to start borrow money again from the IMF. The government of Jamaica try to make up their mind as to whether or not they will start borrow money again from the International Monetary Fund. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, are one group of 185 countries but try to fix some of the problems them in the world. Them lend money to the poor country them when needed to build up the money country. As according to the Observer for Thursday, June 25, 2009, Audley Shaw, the minister who responsible for handle Jamaica money, will go America next week to talk with the IMF smarty them and see if Jamaica will go back go borrow money from them. Then later down in July 2009, somebody smarty them from the IMF will come to Jamaica so them and the government can go and talk about the same business. The government said them not sure yet if them will go borrow the money. But as according to the Observer, Prime Minister Bruce Golding work hard to stick to the money plan we have for the country, so it looked like the government will go back and borrow money from them for true. Darrell Vaz, the minister was responsible to make people know where going in the country. So by July 25, 2009, the Prime Minister and the other big leader them in the government are going to know where going with the IMF tour. Him said the meeting them with the IMF them are going to use to make up their mind as to whether or not Jamaica go back go borrow money from the IMF. One time, the International Monetary Fund did make things hard for the country them to borrow money from them. For them did make the government them change up how them run them country. So a whole heap of people did lose them work. The country money couldn't buy enough things like one time, and the price of the goods them did raise up high. On top of all of that, the IMF did watch over the government them to know how them run them country. As sake of them the kind of problem there will make the one-time Prime Minister P.J. Patterson and the People National Party PNP did top borrow money from the IMF. But the Observer say a whole heap of somebody did a complaint from long time, so the IMF change up how them run them business. If the government do go back go do business with them this year time, then the IMF are going to set up one different plan than the one with them did I use one time. But since the PNP did top the business with the IMF, Darrell Vaz knows it might cause problem if the JLP government go back to them now. Vaz say, they will make sure so the government know for sure what kind of plan the IMF are going to set up for Jamaica, so the government can know from start if it will cause no whole problem for the country and the people then. Meantime, the government still try to make up their mind. So today, June 25, 2009, Prime Minister Bruce Golding will have one meeting about the IMF with the people who own their own business, with the people who look out for the work of them, and with some of the PNP leader them. From early in the month, the Jamaica leader them did say the world still in a recession. That means the business slow down in all of the country them and the money not really a make. Government efforts and the money not really come in the country, and Jamaica have to spend off the little what it have. And that make them now start to wonder if them pick up back the borrow money from the International Monetary Fund, IMF. This is Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Rennae Nichols. Walk good.